Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Hey Google option on a lock screen on Motorola Edge Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and here you can go to settings, then go to Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match option. Then you have to enable Hey Google, and you can click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.